How to subtract the vectors using parallelogram law of vectors. Assume that you are given two vectors P and another vector Q is here. Now the steps are like this. P is retained as such, and I am going to add minus Q to plus P. So I should get the negative of this vector. Negative of this vector is here, minus Q. Now I am going to join them tail by tail. That means their tails are joined to each other, minus Q. So now I am going to construct the parallelogram with the help of these two. Then the diagonal which passes through their points of intersection gives me the resultant. Resultant of what? Resultant of, this is the resultant. Resultant of P and minus Q, that is P minus Q. So resultant P minus Q is obtained like this. So this is how you construct. You may observe a very important thing here. If you take a parallelogram constructed with the help of P and Q, this diagonal represents P plus Q. The opposite diagonal actually represents P minus Q. Keep these important informations in mind.